In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix App Market effectively. If you want to add powerful features to your Wix website without coding, this is the most efficient way to do it. We'll keep it simple and practical, so you can follow along and get results right away. Start by heading to wix.com, logging in, and choosing the website you want to enhance from your My Sites dashboard. This ensures the changes you make apply to the right project. Once you've selected your site, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. The editor is where all your design and feature decisions come together, so keep it open while you work through the next steps. Inside the editor, look to the left sidebar and click App Market. This opens the full library of apps you can add to your site. Everything from contact forms and booking tools to pop-ups, chat and marketing integrations. To make this even easier, I've placed a direct link to wix.com at the top of the description so you can log in and follow along as you watch. Now you can browse by categories like marketing, business tools or social, or use the search bar if you already know what you need. As you explore, take a moment to read app descriptions, check screenshots, and look at reviews and ratings. Notice whether the app is free, offers a free plan, or requires a subscription. Also check when it was last updated and what permissions it needs. Those details tell you a lot about reliability and fit. When you're ready, click on the app you want and choose Add to Site. Follow the on-screen prompts. Some apps add a widget to your page immediately, while others might ask you to connect an external account or approve permissions. If you're prompted to choose where the app appears, think about user experience. Place it where visitors will naturally look for that feature. After installation, open the app's settings to fine-tune it for your goals. Customize design elements like colors, fonts, and placement so they match your brand. Set functional options such as notifications, integrations, or form fields depending on the app. Then test thoroughly. Try it on desktop and mobile, click through as a visitor would, and make sure it loads quickly and behaves as expected. If something feels off, tweak the settings until the experience is smooth and consistent. And that's all you need to use the Wix App Market effectively. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials. And thanks for watching.